What's up everybody, it's Daniel Karnaukh, or Derpy Cuber, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn one commutator into a bunch of different F2L solutions. So the base commutator is a 7-mover that goes like this, which is R prime D prime R, U prime, R prime D R, and its inverse or mirror sort of is this, where the corner is instead of on the left, it's on the right, and you do R prime D prime R and a U instead of a U prime, R prime D R. So yeah. So the first extension you can make off this is with this kind of pair. Clearly you can solve it 2-gen like that, but an alternate solution is like this. You do the commutator and then cancel into this 3-move insert like that. Another single pair extension that's really useful is this pair, and it actually solves this OLS case, and you do the commutator and then you can insert the pair like this, or if you want to cancel, you can do a sledgehammer if EO is asking for that, I guess. So where I think this commutator really shines is in the multi-slotting. So here's the first example of doing 2 pairs at once with this comm. So if you have a free pair that goes into back right, then you can use this comm to cancel into the insert like that. Here's one that I've used a lot in my solves, where you have this 3-move insert also in back right, but this time you cancel it with the commutator like that. This is a really cool one because it seems like a really bad case because this corner is all the way over here, but what you can do is you can just insert the pair, and then here you can just cancel into the comm like that. And that's the second comm, the one with the U in the middle, not the U prime. Once again with that same comm, you do this. And expanding off that even further, instead of doing a U or U prime, you can just do a U2 in this case, like that. So here's a really interesting one, which you can do with RUD moves like this, and that's pretty good. But you could also insert the 3-move pair and then cancel into this comm from a U2, like that. Here's one where it's not as obvious. If this pair weren't here, I would probably do this red-blue pair like that, but that doesn't lead to a very good last pair. So what you can do is you can go for this pair first with the comm, and as you can see, it cancels very nicely into the 3-move pair. This one's also kind of hard to see, but it starts with inserting this pair here, and this edge is back here, and you're basically canceling into this, so you're doing that. And again, you can sledge here if you want, but you can do that instead. And the sort of inverse or mirror of that would be this. You insert the back right pair like that, and cancel into the comm, insert the pair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are all the examples that I could think of intuitively. There are probably a lot more ways you could mess around with this commutator, so if you have any ideas, make sure to leave them in the comments. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. See you guys later.